All right, we want to find the union as a single interval. How do we know it's a union? Because they got a U right there. As a single interval. Well, this, again, to me, I think this will make better sense on the graph. So let's have a bigger graph than that, though. Okay, so let's do this first one here, -10 to -1. I got to keep track of this perhaps a little bit better. I'm going to put 0 here. We'll put -10 there, and then -1 here. So at -10, that I see a square bracket. That's a closed circle at -10, and then a parentheses at -1. That'd be an open circle at -1. Okay, and then it's everything between. So that red line with the two endpoints represents that interval. Now we've got this one. I'll do it in purple. -7 would be, we'll say, about right here, and then 3 about right here. Okay, now at -7 there would be a closed circle, because it is a square bracket. 3 is a parentheses, so I'd have an open circle at 3, and then everything in between is included. Now remember, a union, it only has to be part of one for it to make the actual union true, which means actually what I'm looking at here is the minimum here is -10. Okay, so I would have to start the union at -10, which is included. So I'd have to use a square bracket there. So starting at -10, I can see this goes, it doesn't stop at -1 because the purple line continues that on to +3. So at +3, which is the other endpoint, it's an open circle, so I'd have parentheses. This right here is the single interval that represents this union. Now, if let's say that it had the intersection symbol in between, then it would have to be between the -7 and the -1. Well, I think we'll see an example like that.